Yo, what's up guys, how you doing? My name is Masud, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I want to share with you one tip which you can use to actually grow your following realistically by 20 to 50 followers per day. I've used it in the past and I just wanted to make you aware it's slightly unethical. Let me get into it. My one secret tip for growing your following by 20 to 50 followers per day is by making a fan page. Now, what's a fan page, you're asking? Well, just think about when you got your Selena Gomez, your Justin Bieber. They're pretty famous people, probably got hundreds of millions of followers around the world, and those followers make their own fan pages. And so when somebody makes a fan page, it's basically just reposted content from the from the original profile's page. Now, the benefit of fan pages are when people actually interact with those pages, they give you some credibility. So you can call it fake credibility because you actually made the fan page yourself. But when people actually go on the fan page, they're gonna be like, yo, who is this person? Like, I wanna know them. Like, they will want to connect with you, and they will want to find out who the hell is this person who has a fan page and actually, you know, like my picture or whatever. So that's the benefit of having a fan page. It basically makes you legit in a fake way, or legit, sorry, in a fake way. So use that to your advantage. It's just an unconventional idea, or an unorthodox idea to grow your following. Because I know in 2018 it's becoming ever increasingly hard to actually establish some sort of following, especially with the daily algorithm changes on Instagram. I missed one point out. I didn't mention the unethical bit. This is when it gets a little bit shady. But as I said, you're welcome to use this advice however you want. All I can do is present it to you. So the unethical bit, or the bit which actually makes the whole idea work, is the fan page that you create. You for that account, you set it up on some sort of automation software or automation service, which then allows the fan page to automatically engage with other pages. So to like, comment, or DM even other pages for you on your behalf. The automation software just saves you a lot of time and effort in actually growing your page. You can imagine there's on Instagram there's millions of pages, and there's so many pages that I see nowadays. Especially like even with real people. Like, I know when people they create their business pages, they usually just buy like followers to actually just give them some credibility. So basically you're doing the same sort of thing, and I'm not condoning, as I said, I'm not condoning any of this. It's just to give you an idea. So that was a tip, guys. Like this video if you enjoyed what I had to say. If you wanted to leave your opinion, if you actually have used this tip in the past, leave your opinion. I want to know what actually happened. Please subscribe to my channel, that would be amazing. Other than that, all I want to say is I'm going to catch you guys later, so have a nice day. Peace.